I call my home as every time I come into this school, I have a very warm feeling because of the people around me, such as my friends and my teachers.
MAI has this comforting atmosphere that I feel safe in. For example, the staff here are very friendly and nice, where they will never fail to greet the students here while they are working. And the students here treat each other like siblings, and the teachers are like our parents in school.
I choose to enroll my daughter in Madrasah Al-Arabiah Al-Islamiah because it's a very good institution that promotes Islamic values in a science stream. Amazingly, it has pure science, pure physics, pure chem, math in a madrasah stream, which is not available in any madrasah in Singapore. So I think it's excellent that my child is able to study here.
I like MAI because the school integrates technology into their traditional curriculum, and I feel that this gives my child a competitive edge. When I saw my daughter doing a project in STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths, I can see that she gained new skills and new knowledge.
So for my O-levels, I managed to get 9 distinctions, 8 A1s and 1 A2, alhamdulillah. And it was a very long journey. My teachers and the school in general really provided a solid support system for all the students so that we can focus on our studies. For me, the teachers are really like the backbone of our academic experience and also our experience in general in MAI. So I feel that the teachers here really endeavour to make our experience here a fulfilling and holistic one.
I am very glad when my daughter told me she wants to go to MAI. Although she was offered scholarship from other schools, she rejected them and accepted the scholarship at MAI. She wanted to come to MAI as she heard good things from her friends, and another reason she chose MAI is because she can pursue Islamic and academic studies at the same time in the school.
The student life in MAI is very vibrant and it has a lot of different activities. I'm currently in fencing. Fencing has taught me a number of values such as integrity and perseverance. For integrity, I've learned to lead the whole CCA as I'm also the captain of fencing. And for perseverance, I've learned that no matter how hard I fall or how many times I fall, I always have to pick myself back up. As the saying goes, practice makes perfect.
Madrasah Al-Arabiah Al-Islamiah or MAI mission is to be a leading institution recognized for developing future-ready learners who radiate blessings to all. On top of a strong academic foundation, the program and activities in MAI are designed to develop students holistically with the aim of nurturing them into a person with taqwa, a thinker and learner, a leader with compassion. MAI's rallying call is through our madrasah values that is captured in the acronym 2RISE or to RISE, that stands for respect, responsibility, integrity, spirituality and excellence. In MAI, teachers, students and staff are challenged to rise above themselves, to continuously improve and to be the best version of themselves in all of their pursuits. We believe that the learning experiences in MAI will allow our students to grow and help them to define the moral purpose in life, to be positive contributors not only to their family but also to the society at large, and 2, understand and apply the Islamic moral compass. This should help MAI's graduates to navigate the volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous future, inshallah.